Jimmy?
So,
Are you the one that I'm going on a date with today?
yeah.
Yeah! Take a seat. Okay. So what were you planning on doing today?
I don't know.
Well, I like your blanket. It's cool.
Thanks, I got it when I had the swine.
Uh-huh. So, which do you like?
Red Sox. Mexicans.
How are the Mexicans doing?
Not so much swine anymore.
That's good. You know, swine means pigs, right?
We're in the flu.
Oh. Okay. Are we staying here or are we going out?
I don't know.
Is Robbie here?
No.
Oh, you know what? I think Jill was going out with him, right? They're the ones who said us something.
Yep.
Do you have a bathroom and maybe a phone I could borrow?
Nope.